Hey boo kitties, hey boo hey. Hi guys, welcome back to Content Gym Day 4, and I'm going to be more intentional when it comes to uploading. I want to be more intentional by hyper focusing on objectives, and I feel like I need to set a specified time when I upload every single day. And also, I feel like these past couple of videos, I've been looking so exhausted because I've been starting my day at 5 a.m. Okay, I started my day at 6 a.m. today, but I've been starting my day super early just to keep on track. And then by the time I'm uploading, it's really late, and I'm just kind of pushing out videos aimlessly. And that's not what we're about to be doing in 2024. Make sure that you comment down below, what time do you think I'm going to be uploading every single day? The press ons are giving to day 4 of content gym, baby. I'm gonna be teaching you boo boo kitties how to elevate your fashion haul videos, try on videos, outfit of the day videos by duplicating yourself like this. That was your cue. You're getting me all the way tight. You asked to be in my video, now you're messing my shit up. Like, you're getting me tight. Go ahead, say your line. Hey boo boo kitties, hey boo hey. Okay, so yes, as you can see, I'm duplicate number 2. Okay, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. My fault. You're mad rude. I want to be more intentional this year. I feel like lately I've just been kind of like, okay y'all, so the first thing you're going to do is you are going to open up the camera app on your iPhone or Android, press record. Make sure when you change your outfits, make sure that you do not press stop. Make sure that it's a continuous shot, meaning that the tripod does not move, the iPhone doesn't move. The only thing that you're doing with your camera on your tripod, your pocket camera on your tripod, is press and record and just letting everything play out. We're going to go into CapCut and we're going to take that exact shot that we just took. And I'm just going to cut it here since I'm kind of talking about nothing at the beginning. I'm going to delete it, and then I'm going to go down to overlay, add an overlay, go to the same exact clip, but this time we're going to trim it to the second outfit. And also make sure that when you're recording these videos, give yourself some space. You can even put tape down or even some shoes that's out of frame to indicate exactly where you were standing. So I'm going to go on this video on top of the first video and just adjust the size. Now with this highlighted, what I'm going to do, I'm out of breath, y'all. I'm going to go to mask. I'm going to slide over to mask, and I'm going to go to horizontal, and I'm just going to flip this way like so and drag it right in the middle. Okay, this important step that I'm going to show you next is something that's going to help you to eliminate those harsh lines. You see how to the left is like really dark green, to the right is light green. So I clicked the clip on top and did the same thing with the mask effect, horizontal, and boom. And now you're going to go to feather. Okay, so I'm going to feather this out. You're not going to see it until I do the other clip. I'm going to go back to mask. You're going to do this to both clips. Okay, you're going to go to feather. And as you can see here, that harsh line just disappears. And that is how you create the clone effect on the iPhone, on CapCut. Super easy. Make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you guys give this video a thumbs up, and make sure that you guys comment down below if you find these videos helpful. I don't know what I was saying in this clip, but it's just up because I'm just speaking over myself. So yes, thank you so much for watching my videos, you guys. And yes, I'll see you guys tomorrow, boo boo kitties.
And yes, so I'm just super excited for you guys to be joining me on my journey to uploading every single day until my channel is monetized. And one of the things that I'm going to be using in this journey that's going to be a vital tool is going to be my planner, my manifestation planner for content creators who are on the same journey. And let me not continue rambling because she got a whole attitude. Let's just get right into this video.